Welcome back to How to Knots. Today, we're going to be talking about the Englishman's loop. So to start, we're going to want to make an overhand knot. So what we're going to do is take our tail end and go under and then over and back through the rope here. It sounds difficult, but it's pretty simple, as you'll see. And I'm going to pull about a foot or two of rope along the other side of this overhand knot. And I'm going to come back through our first overhand knot, just through the loop there, underneath and through, and then we're just going to pull so we have about half a foot of rope on the other side. Now, what we want to do is just like the first knot, overhand knot, we want to use the tail end to make another one. So we're going to go underneath and over that first line, and then all the way around and back through. That makes sense. Now here, we're going to take it, I'm going to take this through. I'm just going to tighten that up really quick, just by pulling on both ends. And now we're going to go back to our first overhand knot that we made, and we're going to want to tighten this one up, so I'm just going to pull on both ends. And now, as you see, we have two overhand knots, and if I take this lower end and just slide it, both of them will come together. And then as I pull, the knot gets tighter. And there you have it. This is the Englishman's loop.